Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting as an administrative user so you can change credentials. Open Mongosh or the Mongo shell and connect to your server address, then switch to the admin database with use admin. Authenticate now using DB. Auth, admin user, current password, or by starting Mongosh with username and password. Once authenticated, you have the privileges to modify users. This step is critical because attempting password changes without proper privileges will fail and may lock you out of administrative operations. Once authenticated, perform the password update with a built-in user command. Execute DB. Change user password target user new strong password. For a direct swap, alternatively use DB. Update user target user PWD new strong password. Roles. If you must adjust roles at the same time, make sure to pick a secure password and maintain required complexity. After the command, confirm the user still has the intended roles with DB. Get user, target user. This prevents privilege regressions that could break applications. Finish by validating the change. Open a separate shell and authenticate as the user with the new password to confirm success. Then update all application connection strings, environment variables, and secret managers so services don't fail. If you use replica sets or auth key files, make sure any service restarts preserve auth configs. If something goes wrong, review Mongodb logs for authentication errors and recheck the user's roles and the admin authentication step. Often a missing role or wrong DB context is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.